YouTube? What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin', man? Back with another video, another vlog, another day in the life, man, all that. On the way to Coca-Cola to pick up this load. I'm out here in Paw Paw, Michigan. Headed to Coca-Cola. Just another day, man. Same thing, different day. We get into it. I'm feeling good, feeling great, man. About to pull into this pickup right here. Alright, man, let me see what's popping, in this thing, man. Let me see what's popping over here. I've been here before. They normally pretty good. Yeah, they normally pretty good here. Coca-Cola, I think they call it also Refresco or something like that. Yeah. Let me check in and see what's popping, man. Basically fill this paper out and then take it somewhere. So let me go fill this paper out and then I think I gotta go check in right here. Yeah, because I think this is a dry load, so I'm pretty sure I gotta be like right here. Nah, refrigerated, so I think this is a dry load, so yeah, I think I'm in the right place. Yeah, so of course I'm not in the right place. Then I came here last time, I guess because it was a dry load last time, and now it's a refrigerator load this time. So yeah, I'm in the wrong place. In the wrong place. Let me turn my reefer back on. I turned it off because I thought this was a dry load, so turn it back on. Try this again. So I'm parked up in the door. I'll jump back on camera once I'm pulling out, and then we'll go from there. Catch y'all on the next clip. Go on. I wasn't even gonna put no load bars back here, but they said they require them, so whatever. Got some Minute Maid. Some Minute Maid juice. Put this one at the top. Yeah. Like this. This went down a little bit. Yeah, that should be good. And then we out. Put the seal on. I'm about to go over to Pilot or TA. I already put it on my trucker path. It's like 100 miles away. Gotta stop at the guard gate. Here you go. What's up? Ready?
Yeah.
Do you need to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. I put two load bars, nothing crazy.
Yeah. You're on YouTube?
Nah.
With that,
Appreciate it.
you're all set.
Appreciate that, sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yeah.
Am I on YouTube? Nah, boy. Nah. We out, man. Way to load. Or I might not wait to load. It's Saturday. I might take that chance. Nah, I'm playing. Way to load, then we out, man. I could have parked here because they got overnight parking, but I need to knock off like 100 miles. Oh, this load is, I'm going to, I didn't even give y'all a little update. So I'm going to North Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota. And it's like 700, almost 800 miles away. So I need to knock off like 100 miles, get it down to like 6 and some change. And then I'm gonna drive like 5 or 6 tomorrow. And that's basically what I'm doing. Drive 100 miles, say I should be there by 2:18 at Pilot or TA, one of them. And then, oh yeah, it's due on Monday. So today is Saturday, I'm picking the load up. So I basically got tomorrow and Monday to get the load there. So I'm gonna drive 100 miles today or 90 miles, get it down to around like 600, drive like 500 or 600 tomorrow. And then it's due at 8 a.m. on Monday, so I should be able to, you know, have a good trip and all that. But yeah, so where I'm going, Interstate 94, yeah, I think so. But yeah, let me get down the road a little bit, vibe out a little bit. Just getting started with the vlog, man. I'm glad y'all tapping in with me. I appreciate y'all. All the positive words. My truck's still banked up, but I got a lot of positive feedback, so y'all made me feel better about that. I got a little PTSD, post-traumatic stress, from getting my truck banked up at Pilot, but I'm trying to be strong and just get through it. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all once I get there, or once I, you know, do something. I'll get back with y'all. I'm gone.
Now turn right and then turn left. Now turn left and then immediately turn left.
So I made it right here to Pilot. About to go ahead and park up. Got the trip down to 685 miles. So if I drive like 500 tomorrow, 600, I should be pretty good. Oh man, parking over here, boy, I don't even want to talk about it, man. You just, I don't know, man, I don't know. Perfect. Put a little bend, take that bend off, cut it. Cut it. Yeah, I should be good. Matter of fact, I'll just pull up. Make it easier. Make it easier with the pull up. Pull up, straighten up like that there. Bam. And then I should be cool. Yeah. Cut it, little slight little cut like that there. Now y'all see me going back here, they go check. Sometimes that still don't save you though. Sometimes that, look how, that's what I'm saying, bro. Look how far, like, bro, look at this. The line is right here, bro. These boys parked all over the line. Look at this. The line right here. Look what this guy trailer at. Like, bro, some of these people just be parking and really don't care, bro. Like, the line is back there, bro. That's just crazy. Yeah, these boys be parking crazy, man. I put me a little can back here so I know where to stop at. Still got some more room. Still got some more room. Yeah, that's super close. That's about too close, but yeah, that'll do. Shower number 4. Oh yeah, right there. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. But yeah, man, parked up. What time it is? 2:45. So parked up at 2:45. Get done, jump on my computer. You know. Not too crazy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hit this good shower. I think I'm gonna get it like at 2 or 3 tomorrow, and then we out to the road. So easy day, pretty easy day, like 300 miles in the book. Catch y'all tomorrow on the next clip, man. I'm gone. Oh good, nobody ain't blocked me in. Perfect. Oh yeah, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I see what time it is. Got up at like 12:30. Couldn't really sleep, so I decided just to get on the road. Okay, yeah, the weight good. All right, we out to the road. Well, I'm about to go on Pilot and get some water, buy some water from Pilot, and then we out to the road. Yeah, the water right here. I was gonna get it when I got out the shower yesterday, but I had too much stuff in my hands. Yeah. Get that good water. Oh yeah, fruit. fruit. My gosh, apple. Boy, taxing for the lunchables for all of them boys crazy. I don't know why I'm getting this, but yeah, I'll get a lunchable. Miss, how would I scan the water on there? Oh no, I just want to know how I scan the water.
Okay, so
please select
popular
perfect. Items or look up item alphabetically.
general merch. There you go.
Perfect.
19.
And then
Finish and go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Please wait for assistance. Thank you for using the fast lane.
I'm about to leave out a pilot. My GoPro about to die, so I got one battery already on the charger. Both of them dead. I was being lazy yesterday. But I'm about to be to Chicago in like, I want to say 30-40 minutes. And I like going through Chicago at night. I think I got to go do the Chicago like Skyline Toll Bridge or something like that. So I'm pretty sure I'll record over there. I'm gonna let my GoPro charge up for a minute. I'll just talk to y'all until my GoPro die. What's on my mind right now? I don't really know. Ain't really much to say. It's just a whole lot to do. Trying to run it up, trying to get to it. But oh yeah, one thing I was thinking, man, I'm gonna start, like, I want to diversify my videos and start talking about like, I don't want to just be making vlogs. I want to make like other videos and stuff like that. Hold on, man. I always get lost trying to get out of. Is this the way to go? Yeah, I think this the way to go. Is this the way to go? Yeah, I think this is gonna be it. Wait, I think that was the entrance. How the? I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, how do you get out of here, bro? I'm just driving in circles. I don't want to go that way, and then that's not that's the entrance. I came in that way. So, yeah, I don't know, player. I don't know. Let me spin back through these pumps one more time. Oh yeah, it said exit over here. See, I'm tripping. That's why you gotta read the sign. It's super dark though, bro. Like, why they don't got it more lit up than this? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. Exit over here. See, I would've went the wrong way. That's why whenever you ain't sure, yeah, let me say that. Whenever you ain't sure, I ain't gonna lie, don't chance it. Cause in trucking, if you're not sure about something, you try to chance it, that might be your last chance. You might be done with. You might be over with. But yeah though, what I was saying? Oh yeah, I wanna start making different type of videos. It's gonna be about trucking and stuff, but just in a different format. So yeah, man, the trip update is 685 miles left on the trip, 685. So if I knock out at least 500 today, that'll leave me with 3 hours of having to drive the rest on Monday. So today is Sunday, basically knock out 500. Monday morning I have to drive 3 hours to be to my appointment by 8. So I'll probably get up like around 3 or 4 in the morning tomorrow morning on Monday. Something like that, something like that, something like that. Where we going with it? I-80 West. Yeah, that's where we going with it. So yeah, like I said, man, hopefully my camera's still recording, I'm not sure. But I-80 West, 40 minutes out from Chicago. And then once I get to Chicago, I'm gonna try to record a little bit, see what's going on over there. I checked my GPS on Checker Path and it say the traffic look good, because you really never know at Chicago. Chicago literally always jumping like it's a party over there every day. So I think I should be good though. Right now it's 128 and I'm literally on the highway or getting on the interstate right now. So that's how we rocking and rolling, man. Feel like today gonna be a good day. Up early with it, so they sleeping, we eating. Know how I go, man. If you ain't getting to it, shit, I don't know what you doing. Can't be ant though. Can't be ant. I'm trying to run that bag up every day. I don't got no time to play. I was just spitting right there. But yeah, man, let me get down the road and then I'm gonna jump back on camera, give y'all some sort of update on what's going on with the trip. Feel me? Let me vibe out a little bit till I get to Chicago. Catch y'all on the next clip, man. I'm gone. Alright, so I pretty much made it to Chicago. I think I said this before. Well, I say this all the time. I might say it all the time. But this is really my favorite part of coming through Chicago, especially at night. Like this little, these little toll booths or whatever you want to call them.
After 3/4 of a mile, keep left.
Hold on, this is not it right here. I thought it was this one. It's the next one, I think. Y'all see the city lights? Okay, cool. The city lit up at night right now, man. Super lit. Check me out. Yeah, check me out, man. Too lit right now. Too lit, too lit, too lit right now, man. We get in the right lane. Even though nobody ain't on the road, we get in the right lane. Check me out. Just vibe with me right quick. Just vibe with me, ride with me right quick. Feel me? Really vibe with me. Check me out. Too lit right now, man. City lit up. If you never been through Chicago at night, I don't know what you're doing. It's too lit. That's what it's called, Chicago Skyway Toll Bridge. If you ever come through Chicago at night, you gotta make sure you go through the Chicago Skyway Toll Bridge. It's too lit. You slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Yo, why you, come on, man. All these lanes, you wanna get next to me. Come on, bro. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Get you an easy pass. We ain't stopping at no lanes. We going straight through. VIP treatment, feel me?
Got it, girl, you
Yeah.
got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches riding around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a store now. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my neck. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I wasn't even trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Real talk, I just pulled up in some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to the.
So I just made it to Wisconsin. Just a quick little update. Nothing crazy. Just give y'all a little update. Just made it to Wisconsin. I ain't really do too much. 130 miles, something light. Just a little update, man. Out of Illinois, finally we in Wisconsin with it now. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Sun, 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 sun. Ah, nah, nah. Beautiful morning. Nah, 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 nah. Ah, nah. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning, man. Good morning again, by the way. It's looking oh so lovely out here. I'm just in a great mood, man. Like, I'm getting to that chicken bag, man. But yeah, man, thank you, God, for another day. Thank you, God, for these beautiful views. I just feel blessed. I just wanted to say that. It's a beautiful morning. Sun, 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 sun. I'll hit y'all with an update soon. I'm still in Wisconsin, but could you ask for anything better than this? Literally clear roads, road to myself. 6:51 in the morning. I'm just riding oh so lovely. It's just a beautiful morning. Some. Okay, I'm gone. So I decided to come right here to Pilot. I got a quarter of a tank, pretty much. And I think I said this before one of my previous vlogs. For some reason, Minnesota doesn't have a lot of pilots. So I decided just to get fuel right now. I think I could have made it to North Dakota, but yeah, I don't got no time to be playing. I feel like running out of fuel is one of the most responsiblest things you can do as a truck driver. I can't even imagine myself calling my company like, yo, I think I ran out of fuel. They probably would be like, bro, what? So yeah, I ain't Hopefully that never happened, but you know, stuff do happen, but I just hope that never be a thing that happen. Running out of fuel. I can go to Flying J, Pilot, or 19. So I feel like if I ever run out of fuel, I don't know, man, like I'd be super embarrassed though. I'd be super embarrassed. So yeah, man, I'm gonna fuel up. I'm trying to see, I haven't decided if I'm gonna take my 30-minute break right here. I might though, because the pumps look super empty. So I might do that. Everybody's still asleep. We up trying to get it right now. See the parking lot. I've been to this Pilot way too many times, and I always come to the same spot. Nice little views though. You jump in that lake right there, but might be over with for you. I wouldn't advise that. But yeah, see they got the hills over there. Bam, bam, bam. Little snow on the ground. It actually feels good out here. Some land over there. Nice little scenery. But yeah, it feels pretty good. It's like 30 degrees right now. I'm the only one at the fuel line. Told you, man, I'm the only one up right now. Feel like it. Trying to get to it though. I don't got no time to be sleeping, man. Let me clean my window right quick. Gotta make sure the mirrors stay clean. Windows and all that. We don't got no time to be sleeping, man. I'm trying to get it in. I'm trying to run it up. $600 on fuel. Real road runner. Okay, cool. Check me out. Got the little breakfast. Look, okay. Okay, cool. What the? Yeah, check me out. What the 2 burritos, hash brown, good McMuffin. So I got like 10 minutes for my 30-minute break up. See y'all back at the truck, man. Okay, check me out. Vibing good, Wisconsin with it. Out here with the views in the back, the McDonald's. Okay, nice little looking. Check me out. Know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Right here with it. 30-minute break probably up. Let's do it. Had an hour and 23 minutes before my 30-minute break. 30-minute reset. Now I got 4 hours and 23 minutes. Got 3 hours back to the road. So right now it's 8:31. 273 miles left on the trip. So I'll probably knock out like another 2 hours. I need to leave like 2 hours and 30 minutes on my clock, something like that. Bro, I hate when my company be sending me messages when I'm on the road, bro. Like, I don't be wanting to say leave me alone, but like, yo, low key, leave me alone. I pick the loads up, I drop the loads off. I pick the loads up, I drop the loads off. On time, all the time. Leave me alone. Call me Mr. Drop Off and Pick, no. Call me Mr. Pick Up and Put them down. Picking them up and putting them down. Mr. Pick Up and Pick Up, Mr. Pick them up and put them down. That's my name, man. Don't ask me no question, don't ask me, bro. I'm picking them up and putting them down. I'm gonna get there on time all the time. Leave me alone, man. But yeah, I'm just chatting, I'm just venting. Hey, I'm in a good mood, by the way. I hope y'all in a good mood, all that. But yeah, so I-94 west with it, back to the road. Like I said, I might knock out like another 2 hours, get it down to like under 200 miles. and then park up from there. I'm going into Minnesota, so not really sure where I'm gonna go from here, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Beautiful morning, sons. I gotta learn the words to that song. I love that intro though. But yeah, I'm just chatting, man. I don't want to talk your ear off. But so yeah, I'm gonna get down the road a little bit more, and then jump back on camera once I figure out where I'm gonna park at. And then that's what we'll do. We'll just park it up for today, and then we should be good. So right now it's 8:30. I should be talking to y'all by 10:30. Give me like 2 hours, and then we're gonna go from there. Feel me? Catch y'all on the next clip, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. For sure. Forever and always. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next clip, man. Gone. So as y'all can see on the right hand side, just made it to Minnesota.
Welcome to Minnesota.
Oh yeah, perfect. I actually caught it this time. On the last state, Wisconsin, I had to do the voiceover for y'all. So yeah, man, woke up in Illinois. Yeah, woke up in Illinois, drove through Wisconsin, just made it to Minnesota. One more state left, North Dakota, and then we gonna be there. So yeah, like 4 states I had to drive through. Yeah, I picked the load up in Illinois. Well, I picked this load up, Illinois. Man, bro, I be forgetting. Hold on, let me think. Yeah, I'm tripping. I picked it up at Coca-Cola in Illinois. And yeah, so like 800 miles, 4 states, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota. 800 miles, 4 states. That's pretty much the trip. But yeah, just a little update. I was just you know, going through the states and yeah. So yeah, catch y'all on the next one. So I found this little truck stop. It's called I believe Socks. It's called Truckers Inn. That's the name. Truckers Inn. I'm in Sauk Center, Minnesota. I think that's the name. Sauk Center, Minnesota. But yeah, it's called Truckers Inn. I think it's right here. Make this right, yeah. I ain't never been here before, but I was reading the reviews when I had parked up, and they said that it was pretty good. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's over here. I guess the parking just whatever. I don't know. Oh, okay, over here. But yeah, the trip update. So I drove 554 miles, 550 in the book, 554. I got 2 hours still remaining on my clock, so that's pretty good. And only an hour and 33 minutes left on the trip, 1:33. So if you ask me, it's pretty good. I only gotta drive like 2 hours tomorrow to the drop off. It's due at 8. So I'll probably wake up like at 4 or 5. I'm gonna read the reviews tonight before I go to bed to see if I can get there early. If not, then I'll probably just leave like at 5. Yeah. I'll park over here, yeah. So yeah, man, it's pretty good. If you ask me, pretty good day. So that's gonna be the end of it, man. Pretty good day, like I said. I'm gonna just vibe out, chill out. I'm gonna go get me a nap for sure. It's only 10:49 right now. That's what I'm saying, man. If you get up early, bro, the day be lovely. It's not even 11 o'clock. I'm about to go take a nap, probably 2-3 hours, get up. It might be like 12, 1 o'clock, and I still got the whole day ahead of me. So yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I be getting so much stuff done outside of trucking, because most of the time, bro, I'm parking up before 12 or by 1 o'clock, at the latest 2 o'clock sometimes. But man, I might take like a 2-3 hour nap. I'm getting up around 2, 3, 4. I still have my whole day ahead of me to get stuff done that I want to do outside of trucking. So I always tell y'all that if you having issues with parking, I would just say get up early, Cause I ain't gonna lie, it worked for me. So just some advice. I've been chatting too long. I've been chatting all day with y'all. So yeah, man, catch y'all on the next clip. I'm gone. Yeah, I see the little North Dakota sign right here at the top. Right here. Be legendary, welcome to North Dakota. Little welcome sign.
Turn left.
Now turn left and then you will reach your destination.
So I guess this is it right here.
You have reached your destination. The destination is on your right.
I guess this is it. This got to be it. Ain't no check-in, guard gate, no nothing. Say do not enter right there. So over here. See some trucks over there. This look like what we need to be. I never been to this drop off in North Dakota and Fargo, North Dakota before. I normally go to the whenever I go to whenever I come to North Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota is normally always the same place. But I guess not this time. Yeah. Sweet like peace. Try to be over here. Excuse me, sir. Oh, check in right here. Appreciate check in. Okay, thank you. So they basically said wait in my truck and then I'll get a call once I get a door. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll park it up once I get a door. Then that should be that. But it's a beautiful morning. Sun, 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 sun. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Catch y'all on the next clip, man. Y'all see where we at with it? Little sign up there. But yeah, man. It's super cold out here in North Dakota, but another 800-mile load in the book, man. Been a good day. Beautiful morning. We picking them up and putting them down. Catch y'all on the next vlog, next video. Let's go.